It's a gallon of gas on a cold six-pack. One goes in my tank, one goes in a sack. Makes life complicated when it costs the same. Hell, it ain't no fun to do without one, but I'll do a lot of walking if a motor don't run. It's a tough old choice to make, if you know what I mean. It's a beer or gasoline. Hey everyone, Blades of Blades Guitar Lessons want to teach you how to play this awesome Chris Young song that was requested. So if you guys have requests, let me know and I'll do my best to oblige. But this is called Beer or Gasoline, okay? And so this, I never heard this song before, so I'm really grateful for the request. I think it's an awesome song, even though I've never had a drop of alcohol in my life. So, so before I get into it though, thanks for the request. Thank you for subscribing to all of you who have, and for hitting like and for commenting and all that stuff. I really appreciate it. I'd ask you to continue to do that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Yeah, let me know of any requests you have or questions you have and stuff like that, okay? So let's get into it. Standard tuning, you guys know I love that. So standard tuning, no capo, which is, I also love. Makes it so easy to just play wherever, whenever. And yeah, there's only a few basic chords you're going to need to use for this song, okay? So I'm going to show you the intro. You're going to do, it's going to be the same strumming pattern as the chorus, okay? So it's going to be E, all right? Then you're going to use G, okay? Then you're going to use A, all right? Then you're going to go back to E. Okay, you are going to use D and C later in the song, but you're not going to use them right now. And you're also going to use B, but not, again, not right now, okay? So for the intro, you're just going to do E. So you're going to go down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, okay? So that's how you would do the intro. Now you can, sometimes I say, well, like they play it like 3 times in the intro or whatever. Just, I would, if I were you, I'd probably just play it like 2 or 3 times, because you don't have all the other instruments around. You're just playing this most likely acoustically. So if you are, just play it like 2 or 3 times, and then you'll go into the verse. Okay. So for the verses, you're going to palm mute. You don't have to. You could just do this, but it sounds. I think it sounds a lot better if you palm mute it. Okay. So palm muting, if you don't know, it's that part. You put it right here, as close as you can, right next to that. Okay. And then you're just gonna strum strum or pluck, whatever, the bass notes of it. Okay. So for the verse, you're gonna start with A. Okay, so the verses are going to go A, E, then A, B. Okay, so you're going to go, so it's going to be $2 shy of a $5 bill. Okay, so you start A is on 2, $2 shy of a $5 bill. Last mile I pushed my truck uphill. Okay, then you're going to go to E. Okay, and you do E after it uphill, but you're going to do it for a little bit before you actually sing anything. E, about hurt me, okay? So you're just doing that down, 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 down. I left my truck by the pump where I parked it, walking. So you do A again. I left my truck by the pump right where I parked it, walked through the doors of the last chance market. Okay, then you go, right after market, you go to E. Have mercy, I was thirsty. So stupid. Okay, I was thirsty. The guy. So then you go to the on the guy. You go to A. The guy behind the counter said, "What's it gonna be?" I said, I don't know, man. You tell me. So then you go to. That's where you go to B. Is on you. You tell me. Okay, I would mute. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. And then you're not going to palm mute anymore for the chorus. You're going to go, it's a gallon of gas. So you're just going to go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you can hear that. So for the chorus, it's E, G, A, E. Okay, then you're going to start over. Then you go. So you go E, G, A. Okay, and then you're going to go to E, and then next you go to A. Okay, that's the chorus. You just repeat that twice, just 2 times. Okay, so you go, it's a gallon of gas. So you go, it's a gallon is where you do E. It's a gallon of gas on a cold 6-pack. So aura is where you do G. Okay, So now there's a couple different ways to do this. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do this, to strum the chorus. So you could do just down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down. Okay. So that's the way that is kind of like in the middle, like intermediate. Okay, because you're doing down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you add the down up. Now, if the easiest way is going to be down, 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 down. So there's just no down up. Okay. So that's the easiest. The other one was like kind of in the middle. Now, if you want, this is going to be the hardest, but it's also the best. So you can do, you would strum it like you did the intro part. You'd go, it's a gallon of gas on a cold 6-pack. One goes in my tank, one goes in a sack. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay, either of those work. I'm going to walk you through where you play the chords on the easiest way, well, on the intermediate way to do it, and then you guys can choose what you want to do. Okay, but I'm going to show you where all the lyrics are. So you go, it's a gallon of gas or a cold. Okay, so cold is G, cold 6. Or a cold 6-pack, one goes. Okay, goes is A, one goes in my tank, one goes. Okay, so one goes is E. Oh, sorry, one comes in a sack. Makes, all right, makes is A. Makes life so I'm gonna show you right there. Makes life complicated when it costs the same. So same as B. Same. Hell it ain't. So on it ain't is E. Ain't no fun to do. To do is G. To do without one. But I'll do a lot of walk. But I'll, okay, is A. But I'll do a lot of walking if my motor is E. If a motor don't run, it's a tough. Okay, so it's a tough is where you go to A. Tough old choice to make, if you know what I mean. So mean is B. Mean. And then as you're playing B, you're gonna say it's either beer or gasoline. Okay, so you're gonna go it's a beer or gasoline. So you're gonna mute it. You don't have to, but that's what he does in the song. It's a beer or, if you know what I mean. It's a beer or gasoline. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna do E. And I think it sounds best to play it like the intro, but you could just do this way. Okay. So you're gonna do the E, G, A, G, A, E. Okay, so then you just play that twice. So E, G, A, E twice, and then you're going to go into the second verse, which is just again that palm muting on A. Okay, I could feel the video camera on me, watch me. Okay, so that's what you would do. Then you go to the next chorus. Then for the bridge, you just go straight into. You're going to play D. Okay, so you're just going to do single strums. You're going to go. I could see. Let's see, I can see where this is headed. Okay, so you do D on I. You can see where this is headed. Then you're going to do C. And I'm tired of talking. And then cold beer unleaded. So you play C again, cold beer unleaded. And then you're going to play B. Hell, I'm walking. Okay. All right, then you're just going to do A. So you're going to do A. E. Okay. A. You're gonna go to B. And I'm just doing the down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, then when you go to that final chorus, you're just gonna do E. You're gonna do single strums. So you're gonna do the same chord progression, but you're just gonna do single strums for the first couple lines. So you're gonna do, it's a gallon of gas, it's a gallon of gas, or a cold 6-pack, one goes in my tank, one comes in a sack. Okay, so you do the same thing, just single strums. Makes life complicated when it costs the same. So what's on B? We do same. We're gonna do louder. Just down, 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 down. Hell, it ain't no fun if you do without one, but I'll do a lot of walking if a motor don't run. It's a tough old choice to make, if you know what I mean. It's a beer or gasoline. Okay, so that's how you do it. So you'll just remember, you'll just be single strums. So on E, G, A, E, and then A, and then on B is where you start getting louder. Okay? that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or anything. It's been a lot of fun teaching this one to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.